Let's talk about lower back pain because it is rife in gyms, and it's not just amongst athletes, but everyone. I don't know about you guys, but I hear about back pain all the time. Firstly, it's important to know that most of the time, it's not the movement that you're doing creating the pain. It's not deadlifts or heavy lifting. You know, as a powerlifter myself, when people hear what I do, one of the biggest responses I get is, "Oh my God, be careful of your back." Lower back pain is actually more common and severe in people who are sedentary. It's not the load that breaks you down, but rather the load that you're not prepared for. If you are suffering with lower back pain, it doesn't mean you need to stop training, because the lack of activity will actually perpetuate the vicious cycle of pain avoidance and disability. 90% of the time, a lower back injury is a result of a weakness either up or down your chain. And if you work with a professional who can identify that weakness or dysfunction and you can fix that, your lower back pain will more than likely subside and never return. Actual spine injuries like a herniated disc, for example, it's not a life sentence, and it doesn't mean that you're never going to train again. In fact, you don't even need surgery 90% of the time. It can heal on its own, and surgery should be an absolute last resort. If you suffer with lower back pain, let's talk about it. We might just be able to find a cause and you can start moving